A big welcome to all of you. I hope all of you are doing really well. Let's start today's chapter, and the name of the chapter is Peace in Time of Struggle. Let's get started. Match the symbols of the name of the agencies of the United Nations. Okay, so यहाँ पे United Nations यानी UN की agencies के नाम दिए गए हैं और आपको उनके symbols के साथ उनको match करना है. Values learned, humanity and helping others. On April 15, 1912, one of the deadliest maritime disasters in history occurred. At 2:45 a.m. on April 15, 5 days after its original departure from Liverpool, England, the Titanic struck a large iceberg in the Atlantic Ocean. The ship Titanic was the second in a 3-ship set: the Olympic, the Titanic, and Britannica. She was 300 yards long and weighed several hundreds of thousands of pounds. The great ship, made mostly of metal, was thought to be unsinkable. Okay, I'm sure आप लोगों ने टाइटैनिक के बारे में सुना होगा. एक शिप था और एक्चुअली ये अटलांटिक ओशन में एक आइसबर्ग से टकराया और उसके बाद ये डूब गया. और ये बात है अप्रैल 15, 1912 की. ओके, और लेकिन उसके बारे में कहा जाता था कि ये दिस इज अनसिंकेबल, यानी ये कभी डूबेगा ही नहीं ये जहाज टाइटैनिक. ओके, देन द इम्पॉसिबल हैपेंड. Captain Edward John Smith had altered the Titanic's course slightly to the south, hoping to avoid the ice fields that have been spotted and reported by other ships. तो शिप के जो कैप्टन थे एडवर्ड जॉन स्मिथ, उन्होंने ना देखा आइस फील्ड्स को अवॉइड करने के लिए उन्होंने क्या किया, थोड़ा सा जो रास्ता था चेंज करके साउथ की तरफ. ओके, अनफॉर्चुनेटली द चेंज इन कोर्स डिडंट हेल्प मच. In the late hours of April 14, the Titanic collided with a large iceberg. लेकिन ये जो चेंज किया इन कोर्स में उसे कोई हेल्प नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि April 14, late hours of April 14, जो टाइटैनिक था वो बड़े से आइसबर्ग के साथ कोलाइड हो चुका था. Upon striking the iceberg, the Titanic's flood compartments made for just such an occasion began to fill with water. The Titanic could have stayed afloat if only 4 of the compartments were flooded. But the water quickly filled 6, making the boat sink slowly into the 28 Fahrenheit degree, that is -2 degrees Celsius water. Many passengers were actually spotted playing soccer with the chunks of ice, unaware of the danger posed to them. इसके बाद क्या हुआ, जैसे ही वो आइसबर्ग से टकराया, उसके जो कंपार्टमेंट्स थे टाइटैनिक के फ्लड कंपार्टमेंट, वहाँ पे पानी भरना शुरू हो गया और टेम्परेचर उस टाइम पे था -2 डिग्री सेल्सियस. और उस टाइम पे बहुत सारे जो पैसेंजर्स थे वो सॉकर खेल रहे थे आइस के चंक के साथ. उन्हें पता नहीं था एक्चुअल में कि क्या खतरा यहाँ पे मंडरा रहा है. There wasn't a rush to get into the lifeboats at first, because passenger would rather stay on the warm ship than go out in the cold and the unknown of the sea in a small boat. The first of the 20 lifeboats simply left with 28 people aboard, although they were designed to hold 65 passengers. Okay, तो लोगों को कोई जल्दबाजी भी नहीं थी, कोई लाइफ बोट में जाना ही नहीं चाह रहा था, क्योंकि पैसेंजर्स ऑफ कोर्स जो शिप था वो वार्म था और टेम्परेचर था -2 डिग्री सेल्सियस, तो कौन इतनी ठंड में जाएगा, वो भी अननोन सी में. सो पहली जो 20 लाइफ बोट थी उनमें 28 लोग गए और वो आपको पता है उसमें 65 पैसेंजर्स वो होल्ड कर सकता था. When the danger became apparent, third class passengers were locked down into their third class area, unable to escape to the safety for a lifeboat. First and second class passengers got to the lifeboats quicker and easier because they had boats on their decks. अब जो थर्ड क्लास में थे पैसेंजर्स वो तो लॉक्ड हो गए थर्ड क्लास एरिया में. ओके, और वो स्केप भी नहीं कर पाए लाइफ बोट से, जबकि फर्स्ट और सेकंड क्लास पैसेंजर्स थे उनको लाइफ बोट बहुत आसानी से और जल्दी मिल गई, क्योंकि उनकी बोट्स उनके डेक्स पे थे. ओके, द स्टूवर्ड्स एंड स्टूवर्डेस लॉक्ड द थर्ड क्लास पैसेंजर्स बिकॉज दे वांटेड देम टू डाई. They locked them until they were given orders. Once the order were given to let the women and children out first and not let any men out, they unlocked the doors, but a hard time getting just women and children out. Desperate men actually dressed as women so they would be allowed to enter a lifeboat. There are undisclosed rumors still to this day that say that the Titanic's crew shot passengers who wanted a lifeboat. The lifeboats were picked up by the Carpathia. Okay. अब यहाँ पे उनको ऐसे ऑर्डर्स मिले थे कि थर्ड क्लास पैसेंजर्स जो है उनको लॉक कर दिया जाए. फिर उनको ऑर्डर्स मिले कि उन्हें अनलॉक कर दिया जाए और सिर्फ विमेन एंड चिल्ड्रन को वहाँ से बाहर आने दिया जाए. मेन को नहीं। तो कुछ ऐसे डेस्परेट मैन थे, वो वुमेन की कपड़े पहन के आए, ड्रेस्ड अप हो गए उनकी तरह, ताकि वो बच सके। वैसे तो बहुत सारी रूमर्स हैं अभी तक भी जिनके बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ कहा नहीं जा सकता। ऐसे भी कहा जाता है कि जो टाइटैनिक के क्रू थे उन्होंने उन पैसेंजर्स को शॉट कर दिया जिनको लाइफ बोट की ज़रूरत थी। At that moment, the musicians who had been faithfully playing harmonious melodies showed great courage by faithfully continuing to play without missing a note at such a difficult moment. Some people started to stop, running around looking for an escape, but rather drawn by these melodies that came and started to hum along with the words of the songs in tune with the melody. Soon, a chorus of elderly men started to sing and hum those beautiful hymns, even as the musicians continued to play one song after the other. This changed that environment, and for these elderly men and the musicians who continued to play and sing, it was a wonderful and peaceful moment in spite of the fact that the total environment was in a disarray situation. The peace of mind comes when we acknowledge our creator. So इस मोमेंट पे जो म्यूजिशियंस थे, हालांकि उनको पता है कि कितना डेंजर है, वो हारमोनियस मेलोडीज प्ले किए जा रहे थे, ओके बहुत सारे लोग थे जो इधर उधर भाग रहे थे, उनको पता नहीं चल रहा था कि किस तरह से उन्हें बचना है, ओके। There is an extraordinary story of the 8 musicians who went down with the Titanic. Actually, there was a band of 8 musicians who were not the employees of the White Star Line. They were employed by a Liverpool music agency that was in turn paid by the ship. As they weren't ship employees, they would have had the same rights as any passengers to leave the ship by the lifeboat supplied. The captain could have recommended that they play, but he couldn't have ordered them to do so. But the band took the courageous decision to play music because of the moral character of their leader, the violinist Wallace Hartley. This musician was from a small town of Call in Lancashire, England, and was raised in the Methodist Church. His father was the choir master there and responsible for introducing the hymn "Nearer, My God, to Thee" to the congregation. By all accounts, Hartley was a highly principled person and a devout Christian. He would recently been engaged to a young Christian girl, Maria Robinson, and they planned to marry after he would complete a few trips on the Titanic. Okay, अब यहाँ पे ना एक बड़ी ही असाधारण सी स्टोरी आती 8 म्यूजिशियंस की, okay, went down with the Titanic. So बैंड था 8 म्यूजिशियंस का जो व्हाइट स्टार के एक्चुअल में एम्प्लॉय नहीं थे, okay, ये इनको एम्प्लॉय किया था लिवरपूल म्यूजिक एजेंसी के द्वारा। अब क्योंकि वो शिप के एम्प्लॉय नहीं थे तो उनके पास सेम राइट्स थे जैसे पैसेंजर्स के पास थे कि वो लाइफ बोट की हेल्प से अपने आप को स्केप कर सकते थे, बट ऐसा उन्होंने नहीं किया क्योंकि जो बैंड के लोग थे बड़े करेजियस थे और डिसीजन लिया उनके लीडर ने जो था वायलिनिस्ट वॉलेस हार्टली, ओके। उसकी हाल ही में एंगेजमेंट हुई थी और उसकी शादी होने वाली थी, ओके। Hartley was recruited to lead the 5-man orchestra on the Titanic. After the Titanic collided with the iceberg, Hartley assembled his orchestra and merged it with the second trio of musicians who also performed on the ship. Okay, अब हार्टली ने क्या किया? He was recruited to lead only 5-man orchestra. तो टाइटैनिक जब कोलाइड हुआ तो हैरी ने अपने ऑर्केस्ट्रा को असेंबल किया, मर्ज किया सेकेंड ट्राई ऑफ म्यूजिशियन के साथ जो शिप में वो भी परफॉर्म कर रहे थे. Though the combined group had never before played together, they played to calm the passengers in the first class lounge and later on the deck near the grand staircase. हालांकि ये जो combined group था इन्होंने आपस में कभी भी साथ में play नहीं किया था, लेकिन उन्होंने ऐसा किया ताकि वो passengers को calm down कर सके. Okay. Surviving passengers recalled that the musician played as the ship went down, even after some of them were swept off the deck into the waves. By one account, Hartley, with his violin and bow in hand, was the last man standing. So, जो कुछ passengers जो बच गए थे, उन्होंने याद किया जो musicians थे, वो play किए जा रहे थे music as the ship went down. Okay, और Hartley जो था, उसके हाथ में violin था, bow था head में, and he was the last man standing. So, how courageous that person was. Okay. Moral learned. No religion is above humanity, and this world we should always try to be a good human being. देखिए इस वर्ल्ड में ह्यूमैनिटी से बड़ा कोई रिलीजन नहीं है, कोई धर्म नहीं है. सो कभी भी कोई पर्सन नीड में होता है, हमें हमेशा उसकी हेल्प करनी चाहिए और हमेशा वी शुड ऑलवेज ट्राई टू बी अ गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग. ओके, लेट्स प्रैक्टिस कॉम्प्रिहेंशन. मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस. ए, टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. Number one of the deadliest maritime disaster in history occurred on April. Option 1, April 16, 1911. 2, April 16, 1912. 3, April 15, 1911. Or 4, April 15, 1912. So the answer is fourth option, April 15, 1912. B. Fill in the blanks. The dash was the second in a 3-ship set. It's Titanic. C. Make sentences. So 6 words are given over here which are merged, maritime, devote, maladies, collided and acknowledged. So you have to make sentences on your own. D. Write true for correct statements and false for incorrect statements. Number 1. Captain Edward John Smith was the captain of Titanic. Right, that is true. E. Answer the following questions. So 6 questions are given over here. You have to answer them. So first question, what was the impossible that happened? Impossible यही था कि Titanic was unsinkable, but sink हो गया. Grammar workshop. Verbs are used in different tenses. You may learn these by the following chart. Okay. So आपकी verbs different tenses में आपकी use की जाती हैं. देखते हैं. Tenses active voice में. Okay. So present. Then present के आपके 4 parts हैं, indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. And then similarly past के भी आपके 4 parts हैं and future के भी. Okay, so present indefinite देखते हैं. Meenu laughs. Continuous, Meenu is laughing. Perfect, Meenu has laughed. And perfect continuous, Meenu has been laughing. Past indefinite, Meenu laughed. Past continuous, Meenu was laughing. Past perfect, Meenu had laughed. And past perfect continuous, Meenu had been laughing. Future indefinite, Meenu will laugh. Future continuous, Meenu will be laughing. Future perfect, Meenu will have laughed. And future perfect continuous, Meenu will have been laughing. E. Change the tense in the following sentences as directed against each. Number 1, I sold my car last year. इसे यहाँ पे change करना है present perfect में. Okay, so किस तरह से change होगा? I have sold my car. Okay. B. Underline the verbs in these sentences, then change the sentences into past tense. तो सबसे पहले verb को underline करना है और फिर sentence को past tense में change करना है. So first, Vibhu likes to drive to his office. So यहाँ पे verb है आपकी likes. So you will underline this and now we have to change into past tense. Vibhu liked to drive to his office. Okay. So similarly, you will do other parts also. C. A list of some masculine and feminine nouns is given below. Match and rewrite them separately. That is masculine nouns under A and the feminine nouns under B. The first one is done for you. Okay. So यहाँ पे कुछ masculine nouns and feminine nouns आपको दिए गए हैं. आपने उनको separate out करना है A और B group में. Okay. So A is for masculine and B is for feminine. So एक करके आपको दिया है uncle and aunt. Okay. So next is vixen. So ये आपका masculine होता है vixen का fox और इसका feminine होगा vixen. इसी तरह से dog आप लिखेंगे masculine में और bitch आएगा आपका feminine में. Okay, so similarly you will complete this box. Okay, student. Now conversation, you must have watched the Titanic movie. Discuss in front of your class in your own words. Titanic movie, I'm sure आप लोगों ने बहुत बच्चों ने देखा होगा. So you have to discuss this in your class. Okay, and keep doing practice of this chapter.